Everybody, Chris here. So Dogecoin is getting ready for an explosive rally. We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I've been live every day this week. That's right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even throw in an extra Sunday. So you need to be subscribed. You need to have your notifications on. So you don't want to go live because we have a lot of fun on those live streams. But in this video right now, I'm going to be looking at where Dogecoin is going based on some analysts and Chris Pax as well, because I continue to be quoted in the news as well. But Dogecoin is gearing up now, and I know there's a lot of attention to XRP, and we'll look at that, Doge versus XRP, and what's going on there as well in this video. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at the news and the charts. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart, just over 41 cents. We are still in this upward channel that we have been tracking back for 3 weeks now. That's right, 3 weeks in this upward channel for Doge after an explosive 200% gain. It was about 170% from like 20 cent Doge that we had as Doge had made that initial run and then kind of went sideways for a day before breaking out. That's what's going on with Doge. What's Bitcoin doing? Still hitting its head, cannot break through 100K. And so Bitcoin has just been going sideways while other alts are taking off. We've got Algorand breaking up over 60 cents now. That's right, Algorand is at 60 cents. Doge still at 41. And we also have our new crypto Peak. That's right, Peak now is up over 44 cents and continuing to move up higher. We'll see this explosion on Peak, and Peak has only been trading for, again, just about 3 weeks now for Peak trading, brand new blockchain, and I bought a little more yesterday. That's right, on the dip. Chris bought some more Peak. So we'll be watching that too. That's now 44 cents. So it's a race to $1 between Dogecoin, Algorand, and Peak. We will see which one gets there first. Solana is dipping down. That's right. So there is this rotation going on right now out of Solana into other alts. We have Hedera just continuing to move up, maybe taking a little breather right now, but it was an explosive move for Hedera. And then here's XRP at $2.66 now, also taking a little breather. And now we have Jasmy. That's right, Jasmy made a move overnight up over 4 cents, and it's now having a little retrace, but that big move overnight for Jasmy. So there's a lot of excitement still going on overall in crypto. What is this based on? Well, it's the 4-year cycles again. And here's Aurelian Orion in his chart. We've looked at this before earlier in the summer when we were expecting a move up for crypto. And here we have it. This is the Bitcoin chart, and Bitcoin has moved up. Late 2024, just like we did in 2020, just like we did in 2016, just like we did in 2012. So the 4-year cycle is still in play. And here's what's still to come is 2025. So we kind of have the pre-bull. He calls it a first pull. He's got pre-bull back here in 2023. And that was for Bitcoin, certainly this cycle. But it's this what's coming up. This is what we have. We've been talking about the 4-year cycles. We've been talking about explosive growth. And then this rotation also from Bitcoin to the big alts to the small alts. And we see a lot of the small alts starting to move as well. So exciting times still coming ahead. Looking at Doge, we look at the patterns again, 4-year cycles. The end of 2016, right before the explosive growth and double move in 2017. Again, 2020, that first run up before we have the big double move in 2021. And here we are in 2024. Again, the first move up. Where is this big double move going to come most likely in 2025. Dogecoin repeats the pattern. Imagine filling in the missing part. Doge is going to be big. That's right. And we've got the coach looking at similar thing, looking at, again, 4-year cycles. We're starting that explosion up right now. And where could that ultimate target be after a big double move? Well, why not $4.20? Could that really happen? My experience says it is illogical, but the chart says it is inevitable. That's right, inevitable. $4.20 Dogecoin. Well, that would be a huge rally, that's for sure. Well, let's see. Let the Santa rally begin. So that's the first thing we're talking about here in December, right? Is Santa rally. And is there going to be a bit of news that comes out, especially for Doge, before the end of the year? So that's the first move up. And Bluntz is saying, look, when Doge finally breaks this 3-week range, the upside move will be violent, just like the last one, in my opinion. Tick-tock, that's right. We are waiting for that big move up for Dogecoin. Looking at the trader's chart, he seems to predict Doge can surge to a new record high above 90 cents. So that's what Bluntz is looking at. We also have this bull flag setting the stage for an explosive rally. And we already saw November in 165% surge for the month overall. And of course, Ali Martinez, some of his predictions get a little bit out there, right? And he's looking at the Doge BTC chart, which of course throughout the past couple years has been in a downtrend, but we're breaking out of that downtrend now. This is Doge versus BTC, and Doge's explosive rally could then just leave Bitcoin in the dust. Short term, Trader Allen is looking at this symmetrical triangle with a bit of a breakout that happened the other day, but it has since retraced back in. So that was kind of a false little breakout. So again, we're holding support though, and Dogecoin has been holding support very well throughout all of this. As I've said, typically when Doge has gone up, a huge run, 100% or more, it typically gets shorted right back down. That's not happening this time. That's right. Dogecoin has been hitting higher lows throughout this last 3 weeks, and this could be another higher low here right at 40 cents that we saw yesterday on that dip yesterday morning, and we'll see how that plays out. Again, join me on my next live stream Tuesday. That's right, Tuesday around 3 o'clock. East Coast time here in the United States. I will be live again, so join in because we just have so much to talk about that I'm now doing lives 5 days a week and then throwing another one in on the weekend. So that's overall what's going on in terms of support. And right now, a lot of excitement about XRP, and I get it, right? An analyst highlights XRP's strong bullish breakout compared to Dogecoin's, current weaker momentum. But again, Dogecoin went up really big earlier in November. XRP's was late in November and into December. Overall, over the past 2 months, they're both up about the same percentage. So just XRP's has been more recent than Dogecoin's, is what has happened. But Dogecoin short-term growth, what's going to happen? Key resistance levels and a potential long-term benefit of an ETF launch. Yes, that's one of the things that could be coming up, but that could be the same for XRP as well. So XRP showed a strong bullish breakout in November, indicating a definite break from its bearish phase, which it had been in all through the summer. But the strong optimistic momentum combined with a monthly closing above resistance defined the breakthrough. XRP has continued to go up. Dogecoin, positive activity as well. November, one of the most recent of 3 consecutive green months, and we've been tracking the weekly as well and how many consecutive weeks Dogecoin has been in the green, and that is all good. So comparing Dogecoin to XRP, It's interesting. I mean, Dogecoin, we were excited when Dogecoin had passed over XRP in terms of market cap a couple months ago. And of course, XRP then just took off way above Doge. Can Doge catch back up? That's something we will be watching as well. So again, we'll be watching all of this happen as what's happening with the news. There is talk of an XRP ETF as well as a Doge ETF. So what's going to happen in 2025 in terms of ETFs? We will be watching that closely. But then the bigger news is, what about Elon Musk? And what about integration into X payments? Is that XRP? Is it Doge? What will be that rally? So Doge is ready to run into X payments hype. Elon has hinted that maybe X payments might start before the end of the year, even though they don't have all their money transmitter licenses. It looks like New York is going to be a thorn in his side, and he might want to just get started with X payments without New York. He's got a few other states as well still to go, but that would be huge for Doge. Even if X payments starts and Dogecoin isn't on it initially, it's still going to be a hype for Doge. Meanwhile, XRP, it has surged on this Gary Gensler news that he is going to be stepping down from the SEC. So that doesn't stop the XRP army from still talking about Dogecoin on the X platform. But Elon Musk has never talked about XRP, but he has talked about Dogecoin. And could it be featured in some capacity on the X platform, looking to integrate payments into its operations? So Dogecoin continues to move up with Musk's backing, and we've been holding above 40 cents, consolidating before the next big move. And what that looks like, again, on X Twitter, I've been following this, so follow me on X Twitter at ChrisPax. And so this was an interesting chart, just looking at sort of this accumulation level that Dogecoin has been on for the past 3 weeks now. It has not dipped back down. We're accumulating. The volume of trading is still big at this level, and Dogecoin holding it very well. So we will see what happens here between Dogecoin and XRP as we go forward. But also another thing is, let the Santa rally begin. Doge, Pepe, and SHIB all doing more volume than Solana on Monday, despite being, in some case, 1/10 of the market cap. If you think the meme meta is dead, I'm sorry, you're not going to make it. So this is sorted in terms of volume, and the volume of trading of Doge, even though it was going pretty much sideways, was still huge. And SHIB is here, and even Pepe also pretty much going sideways. Still larger volume than Solana in terms of trading volume. So after observing retail finally coming back, deciding to start bidding the same crap they bid the last cycle, that could be, makes me think when the meme coin bid inevitably comes back, they're going to be bidding on Dino memes, obviously Doge, also SHIB, Floki. We're going to see all of that run as well. So a lot of things to look forward to in terms of this explosive breakout coming for Dogecoin, continuing to accumulate, buying on the dips, and waiting for this next big move. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this explosive rally coming for Dogecoin? Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.